video. So question is, a buffer solution is prepared by mixing equal concentration of acid and a salt. In acid they have given in bracket ionization constant is K. For acid ionization constant is K. The pH of buffer is, right. So what they have given, they have made a buffer solution by mixing equal concentration of acid and salt, right. So it is acidic buffer, right, because they have mixed acid and respect to salt. So the buffer is acidic buffer. So for this acidic buffer we know that pH is nothing but pKa plus log concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid, right. So this is the formula for pH of a acidic buffer, right. pH is nothing but pKa plus log concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid. But here they have given equal, that is mixing equal concentration of acid as well as salt, right. So what happens, equal means we can take anything concentration. I can take a 5 molar salt and 5 molar acid, right, equal concentration, or 1 molar salt or 1 molar acid. So the concentration of salt and acid are same, so it can be cancelled out. So what I will get, 5 divided by 5 is nothing but 1. 1 divided by 1 is nothing but 1, right. So I will get what, pK plus log 1, right. And we know that log 10 is 1, whereas log 1 is what, 0, right. So pH is nothing but pKa plus log 1 is nothing but 0. So pH is nothing but pKa. So the answer for this question is pH is nothing but pKa. So the pH of buffer is nothing but the pKa. So option C is the correct option. If you know this formula, you can easily solve this question, right. So thank you.